Imagine that you're a school principal, and you wake up to find snow on the ground. A lot of snow. What tool would you use to quickly reach out to parents and let them know that school is closed for the day? Or maybe you're in marketing for a sports team, and during a game you want to let season ticket holders know about a special concessions offer meant just for them. Kerauno Launch is the perfect tool for both of these situations, as well as a host of others. Kerauno Launch is a mass text engagement platform that helps businesses and organizations communicate with their customers through direct SMS and MMS interactions. No application downloads required. Text interactions at this scale are powerful, reaching customers through a channel that's not been flooded with the noise of spam communication and building a unique kind of immediate engagement. To get started with Kerauno Launch, you will need to speak with one of our sales associates, who will customize your account to your needs and help you set up the appropriate short and long codes to start sending messages. Short codes are 5-digit contact numbers and are generally used to communicate with large groups of people at a time. You may have seen them before in text marketing campaigns or polls. Long codes, on the other hand, look like standard 10-digit telephone numbers and are often used for direct one-to-one communications with customers. While the short codes for groups, long codes for individuals convention is good general practice, it's important to note that in Kerauno Launch, both short and long codes can be used for one-to-one and one-to-many interactions. Your sales associate will also provide you with guidance on how to purchase keywords, advertise your keywords, and start building engagement with your customer base. After setting up your launch account with a sales associate, you can start communicating with your customers by going to KeraunoLaunch.com and signing into the system. Launch will keep a tally of how many messages you send, and at the end of every month you will be charged for those outgoing messages. The layout of the Kerauno Launch system is intuitive and easy to navigate. The page that you will see at sign-in provides a breakdown of your activity over the past 7 and 30 days, as well as anything that you missed since your last visit. This landing page also provides you with quick links to 5 of the most commonly accessed areas of the Launch platform: send text messages, start a conversation, inbox, keywords, and contacts. If you ever need to get back to this screen from any of the other Launch tabs, click on the Kerauno Launch symbol in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. Selecting the red New Message button at the top of the screen will prompt you to send a single message to either a group of contacts or directly to an individual. Selecting the Campaigns tab will open a drop-down where you can select from a list of 4 campaign types, as well as a section devoted to regularly used templates. Assuming that you set up shortcode connected keywords with your sales associate, you will have the ability to run these campaigns with your contacts. Selecting the drip campaign option from the drop-down menu will open a filterable list of your current and expired drip campaigns. These campaigns send out a series of messages to customers at predetermined intervals. Selecting the reminder campaign option from the drop-down will open a list of your active and canceled reminder campaigns, which are meant to provide a regularly scheduled reminder message to your customers. The recurring text section of the Campaigns tab is where you will go to manage any individual messages that you set up to be sent at a regular interval. You can set up recurring text messages via the red New Message button that we discussed earlier. The Poll and Vote section is where you will go to set up text polls for members of your various messaging groups. These polls allow you to gain insight into your customers' preferences and further tailor your interactions with these customers. The final section of the Campaigns tab lets you create templates that you can use for messages that you send regularly. Not only can you create individual templates, but you can also categorize templates for different business groups within your organization. This is only a basic walkthrough of the campaign functions of Launch. We will cover these campaigns and how they work in more detail in future trainings. The Inbox tab of the Kerauno Launch product will provide a list of all of the messages that your customers have sent in response to your keywords and campaigns. You can reply directly to these communications by selecting a message's hyperlink title. Selecting the hyperlink name in the From column lets you view and edit the contact information for the customers with whom you've been communicating. The Outbox tab provides a breakdown of all of the messages that you've sent to groups and individual customers. This is also where you will go to get some basic information about the delivery of a particular message, which you can see by selecting the hyperlink in the Message Details field. The Contacts tab is where you will go to view information about the people who've opted into communications with you, as well as the different groups that you've created. The Keywords and Numbers tab helps you keep track of all of the keywords that you use to bring contacts into your system. This section provides a list of all of the keywords that are connected to your account and gives you ways to purchase more keywords if needed. The final two tabs, Tools and Reports, allow you to customize your Kerauno launch experience and measure your level of communication with your customers. These sections of the site provide a great deal of functionality, and we will explore them more fully in future trainings. Kerauno Launch is a powerful engagement tool that will help you create unique and effective interactions with your customers. We hope this training gives you a clearer idea of how Launch works. If you have any additional questions about this tool, be sure to check out the Kerauno Launch knowledge base.